For too long, trailer manufacturers have had limited competition when it came to who supplied their trailer harnesses, electrical systems, and lighting. This lack of choice wasn't the result of some dark conspiracy. Rather, it was the byproduct of stagnation among a small group of competitors that might have become just a little too comfortable. It was time for a shock to the system. With its acquisition of USA Harness, Optronics has disrupted the status quo, taking its place as only one of a handful of industry suppliers offering a comprehensive line of integrated and modular power delivery and lighting solutions for commercial vehicles. In less than a decade, Optronics has dramatically changed the competitive landscape in commercial vehicle lighting with its focus on technological innovation, broader options, and greater value. And now we're doing the same with harnesses. Over this time, OEMs have become ever more adamant in encouraging Optronics to enter the harness side of the business because the competition in that segment has remained so limited.
Vanguard National Trailer Corporation is one of the nation's leading heavy-duty trailer manufacturers. We got here by being innovative and competitive, and by choosing suppliers that are like-minded. It's simple. Optronics International offers Vanguard better value because Optronics is a high-tech manufacturer with a global presence. And for us, that translates into superior products and superior service, all at a superior price point.
Optronics is already a respected harness manufacturer on 3 continents and is the undisputed leader in Australia. With its diverse international background and experience, Optronics hit the ground running in North America while fully leveraging its synergies as a global lighting and harness supplier.
Talbot Manufacturing engineers a wide variety of heavy-capacity trailers and specialized transportation equipment. And just like our equipment, Optronics stands up to the kinds of challenging environments that lesser products just can't handle.
Proven to perform at 3 times the industry standard, our newly repatented USA Plus modular connection system with its unique O-ring style seal and secondary lock pin design has kept this harness technology at the forefront of vehicle power delivery. A design variation increases the engagement integrity between the system's integral O-ring and the corresponding groove of its mated connection. A unique lock pin of contrasting color helps inspectors identify complete connection mating. Unlike most harness and lighting manufacturers, Optronics prefers to purpose design and build complete overmolded harness systems that minimize the number of modular connections, hardening the system against failure points and corrosion. We're also happy to custom design fully optimized systems for large and small volume manufacturers alike. Our USA Plus sealed wiring harness systems are simple for OEMs to assemble and use the same moisture-resistant USA Plus connection system throughout. Even novice assembly workers can make flawless connections quickly and repeatedly. Harness ends can be constructed to mate with any incandescent or LED lamp from any major manufacturer. Harness systems come with an industry-leading 5-year warranty and a lifetime warranty when purchased as a complete system with Optronics lighting.
This is a manufacturer innovating at a very high level.
These guys are changing the game. They're just killing it.
Trailer manufacturers have a right to more choice in harness and lighting suppliers, and the competition Optronics now brings to the industry will give OEMs more independence. Sometimes it takes a shock to the system to set things back in balance. And with the addition of Optronics USA Harness, the reverberations have only just begun to be felt.